Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today I am sharing with you the few significant benefits of your favorite fruit coconut. Let us start. Coconut is a superfood, highly nutritious, rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals that possess many health benefits. It is used for its water, cream, oil, milk and meat. The presence of antioxidants in the fruit helps to fight against diseases, promotes blood sugar and protects the heart. Now let us see the benefits of consuming coconut. With so many byproducts of coconut, it provides a variety of health benefits. Firstly, it is very nutritious. Coconut meat contains fat, protein, selenium, manganese, B vitamins, vitamin C and E. Manganese is good for bone health and metabolism of protein, carbohydrates and cholesterol. Copper and iron helps in the formation of red blood cells, and selenium is an important antioxidant that helps in the protection of the cells. It is good for the heart. Consumption of coconut oil increases both LDL and HDL cholesterol and triglycerides, whereas virgin coconut oil reduces belly fat. In other words, it lowers the chances of heart disease and diabetes. It controls blood sugar level. Coconuts are high in fiber, healthy fats and amino acids and low in carbs, thus helps in controlling blood sugar levels. It contains powerful antioxidants polyphenol that protects the cells from damage and helps in lowering the deaths caused by oxidative stress and chemotherapy. It also prevents the risk of any heart disease. You may easily add to the diet as a delicious addition in your baking, sauteing and roasting, as it is gluten-free, nut-free and a low-carb food. Now let us see how to incorporate coconut in your routine in a very simple way by making a simple coconut smoothie. Please note down the ingredients. You need unsweetened coconut milk 1 cup, 1 chopped ripe banana, 2 seeded dates, 1 tablespoon shredded coconut and 2 teaspoons shredded coconut for garnishing. Now note down the method. Add coconut milk, banana, dates and shredded coconut to a blender and blend well. Pour into a glass and garnish with shredded coconut. Healthy coconut smoothie is ready for you. I hope the information on coconuts would be useful for you and would love to make a healthy smoothie for yourself. Thank you.